So I have already created my background layer and I filled it with black. And now I'm going to add some guides here. So go to image, guides, new guide by percent. I'm going to select direction horizontal, position 50%, and then press OK. And now let's add another guide. Go to image, guides, new guide by percent. This time I'm going to change the direction to vertical and then press OK. And now left click here in the tabs here, configure this tab, left click on this arrow here at the end, left click, select the add tab and then scroll down, select the symmetry painting. And now in the symmetry here, left click, so you have non-mirror tiling or mandala, select the mandala. So this tool is very useful to create mandala designs. So for example, let's select the paintbrush tool. So here are the settings I'm using. So I'm going for now and check the enable dynamics. And now, for example, I will create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it to transparency and then press OK. So for example, the number of points here is 6. So if I left click on the layer here, it will create 6 copies. So left click, so here it is. So for example, if I increase the number of copies, I'm going to use 18 for my design. So let's see here. So if I left click here, so here it is, created 18. And then here, so for example, you can create quite some nice shapes. So for now, I'm going to hide this one. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to hide this icon, create a new layer, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. So here are the settings of my paintbrush tool. And now I'm going to enable the dynamics because I'm going to use the path tool. Left click, enable dynamics. So here are settings for my dynamics. And now I'm going to select the path tool. So I'm going to use settings here, this paintbrush here to stroke the path I'm going to create. So now I'm on my new transparent layer. I'm going to create my path, left click on the middle here. Then here I want to make it kind of a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make it here like this. And now let's go back, stroke path. Make sure to select the paint tool, the paint tool paintbrush, and then check the emulate brush dynamics and then click on stroke. So here it is.